Hello, and welcome to another update video about XRP. Just a quick update. XRP, has obviously filled in this triangle pattern that we're tracking nicely, and this triangle could be nearly complete. So we want to talk about that a little bit. Just a quick update. The idea is that here in this sideways triangle, the price is forming an A, B, C, D, E structure. The E wave might have started actually. I mean, the triangle is really perfectly filled in. Even the D wave unfolded in a very healthy way, and we see a bit of a rejection. I mean, it's a bit weak, to really confirm this is already the E wave. But bear in mind that a triangle is a 5-wave pattern. Wave D has definitely fulfilled all requirements. A pullback is now due. Now, sometimes the pullback doesn't happen or is very shallow before an upside breakout, but likelihood is that from this blue zone between 242 and 262, which we defined as a target area for the move up that we were watching for when the price bottomed here in this B wave of wave D. Quick educational moment here. The main waves in a triangle are A, B, C, D, E. Each wave is typically an ABC structure, or at least a correction. So we're tracking in the D wave of the triangle, which is the second to last, an A, B, C structure. So this here, C wave, technically complete. Surely might get a few more upside squiggles, but price action right now actually allows for the E wave to develop. Support for the E wave is located between $2.09 and $2.29. I find that only weak support, or as I define that as weak support, because it's for a correction. It's not for a, it's not a solid 1-2 setup or anything. And support levels in triangles are, well, questionable because there is no real target for an E wave. There are some Fibonacci guidelines and relationships, but the main condition is that the E wave doesn't break below the C wave low, and that was at 195. What we can do for this triangle E wave, below 195, the blue count plays out, right? We discussed that in previous videos. But what we can do is, based on a common Fibonacci extension relationship, we can define an ideal target. There are targets, but they are not so, it's not like high confidence. The 61.8 extension is something to watch. I would also pay attention to the 38.2, but that might be a bit weak. Okay, these two. So these are two additional levels to watch. Just want to make that a bit. 1 second. Don't want to have that massive box here on the chart. Make it a bit smaller. Okay. Up there. So like that. So this would be a Fibonacci extension zone, possible target area for an E wave. Okay, the entire support area is relevant, but if we talk about general Fibonacci extension guidelines, 221 and $2.04 could be relevant. Yeah, so pay attention to these. As I said, it's a bit early days, can't fully confirm this is an E wave. We don't really have much downside, but it is substantial enough to at least be watching for that E wave, and it would be good because this is when things get exciting. We need to see if the price gets into the support area, if the buyers step in. Starting at 229, that would be a very weak E wave though, yeah. But then 223, 221, this is where it's getting interesting for a possible upside breakout to form. Invalidation point, as I said, is $1.95, and tomorrow we will make a more substantial video again, depending on what happens. But wanted to keep you updated, so hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.